I had a really bad psychosis episode where I just heard voices in the back of my head telling me it was too late to make a change or make a difference for myself, and it made me start looking at places to find help, and I heard a lot of good things about Duffy.
Our patients have a variety of needs, which can consist of shelter, consist of medication needs, consist of substance use treatment. So there's a whole complex wraparound service that we're able to give to our patients. So I've always had a desire to help people with substance use issues. I grew up in an alcoholic home. I had a son who suffered from the disease of addiction for many, many years. He was also homeless on the streets of Boston. And coming to Duffy seemed like just the right fit for me.
What draws me to this work specifically is when I became pregnant about 17 years ago, that's what started my recovery journey. I love helping all of our participants, but with Moms Do Care specifically, there's so much shame and stigma and guilt around being a mother and having any sort of substance use disorder. And for us, being able to be that trusted individual, a person that is coming into somebody's home with no judgment and being able to support them is truly what's important to me. Duffy is important to the community because we are literally breaking down all barriers. Folks are coming into the health center that may not have eaten in a couple days or may not have had a shower, and we're able to offer that and get them in for medical, behavioral health, case management, peer recovery services.
What I would tell people who are struggling in the same position as me, struggling finding housing or struggling with homelessness or not being able to find a doctor, I've encouraged a few people to come here. I feel like I finally have some direction after a long time of not knowing what to do. Duffy Health Center is helping so many people who don't really have a voice to speak for themselves.
Any one of us could wind up in a situation where we needed to utilize Duffy services. I myself, at a young age, found myself almost homeless. And it was because somebody stepped in and gained my trust that allowed me the opportunity to not have that happen. And I think that's one of the really important things that we offer at Duffy, is we have open doors and we gain trust and we meet the people where they're at.
I am incredibly grateful for everything Duffy Health Center has not only done for me, but for the community, and it's helped so many people.